Morning everyone. I don't know what number vlog this is gonna be, because like I'm very late with the vlogs right now. I've been super busy. Like we just came back from a road trip yesterday. It was like a 7-hour drive to, no not to, from Kuwait to Riyadh. Is that me? Hold on, BRB. Yeah, I'm back now. I took my hat off as well. Yeah, I was saying, we came back from Kuwait last night. Literally I only slept like, I think it was 2 hours, because that snooze like wastes an hour of time, because I was dead. Anyway, yeah, now we're on the way to Hail, which is another city in Saudi Arabia, so we're staying in the same country this time. And yeah, there's a rally there, different type of rally, but no, it's just a different car. It's like a different cross-country kind of thing. So yeah, we'll see you there. Convoy as usual, Mandem there in the Lex 6x6 and the G65.
About the handgun a lot, but that one collar man handles a lot. All the black gang fam I handled a lot. Me and Foss bagging up grams at the spot. Shots in my grind gear, jumped in my vehicle, all gassed up, now I'ma slang me a rock. Collar man handles his job. Beds on the ground, helicopters on top. Beautiful, me wanna dock to my
Just at the Four Seasons Hotel now. Came to pick up someone real quick. We out. And this is who we came to pick up, coming out now. That's Timo Gottschalk. Gottschalk or Gottschalk? That's Yaz's co-driver in the rally, in this certain car. This car is going to be the Hummer. You guys will see it in a bit when we get there. And that's the Kingdom Tower, Four Seasons Hotel, and there's a mall downstairs. And I don't know what that is, some kind of security police car. And we are out. It's not everyday hardcore triple OG rap music, you know. Sometimes Ja Rule and Ashanti fam. This is the Twister building, and this is Riyadh traffic. Worst traffic ever. Oh, I just realised why. There's roadworks down the road. Yesterday I was on this road for like an hour and a half on my way to the gym. It's peak. And that's the Federali's posted up. I bet you ain't even paying attention to nothing. I bet you he's on his phone. Wait, look. Wait, look. He's on his phone watching. Look. See? Look at him. So now if you roll past on your phone, he gotta pull you over. Yeah, I just wanted to address something real quick. A lot of people in my comments tell me, why do you speak hood? Why do you use the words fam, this and that? Well, the reason is, that's how I speak. Like, I grew up hood, alright? I grew up in southwest London. Yeah, for people that don't know, I grew up in London, born and raised in London all my life. So that's why I have this accent. And yeah, what else? Yeah, like I grew up hood, went to school in South, everyone around me is hood, so I'm a be hood. That's how you gonna come up. And yeah, like I was saying, yeah, I grew up surrounded by gangs, everyone trying to be a gangster, so it was all nuts. Like, obviously I wasn't trying to get away from that life, I was fully involved in it. But yeah, obviously now we calmed down a bit. Not a bit, a lot. We calmed down a lot from how I used to be. Who's we? I don't know why I'm saying we. It's me. I calmed down. And yeah, no, like that's why I speak hood. Like I try to speak normal as much as possible, but when I'm just chilled like this and I'm talking, I can't help it. That's how I speak. Like if I'm speaking like in a meeting or something or this and that, yeah, I'll speak normal, but when I'm just chilling out here with the bandem or whatever, I speak hood because that's how I speak, and it won't change. Alright, the highway opened up now. I hope. I don't want to say it and then I see traffic down the road. This is Riyadh's financial district, up and coming. A lot of buildings being built around here, and the palm trees are all up in my way. But you can kind of see it. Right, you see it now. Yeah. Ooh, that building looks weird. Look at that. Couple zigzags in it. Okay, and the palm trees are back. If anyone has like a really big problem with the way I speak or doesn't like it, there's a line you could call to complain. To be honest, I don't know the number right now. I can't tell you the number, but just go on Google and type in "talk to Frank." Give him a call and just let him know what's up. Nah, for real though. To everyone that comments and stuff, thank you guys. That shit really helpful. And the rest of the road is going to be pretty much like this, extremely boring. So whoever's on my Snapchat is extremely pissed, taking like 100 selfies a minute. I don't think you guys are getting away from it as well. If you ain't got me on Snapchat, add me on Snapchat. DEETV_K. Also, because they have to suffer, you guys have to suffer. Unfortunately, because I can't take pics on a vlog. Well, I can, but it's not going to be good, so it's better to do a video. So you guys have to enjoy a video selfie. These are official presidential escort whips. I don't know where they're going. Those are the cars you see in convoys, King's convoys and princes and stuff. The guy writ off his, whatever he was carrying on, his cement. He was carrying cement, I think. Writ off some donut. I saw recently in the news that a house got stolen. I think this is it. It reached Saudi. Oh shit, it stole some other stuff too. Clouds look mud down here. Look like it's night time. Like it's so dark. Not super dark, but it's mad dark compared to where we just went. Look at the clouds down there. Look at the difference. So you can see the difference there. Look how dark it gets. Okay, it's light over there. And then it's dark here. Carrying rocket launchers. That guy's carrying air. This guy's carrying gas. This guy's carrying beds. What are we carrying? My hat. That's my hat. I'm carrying my hat. What's this? Biscuits. Now let me open the window and grab a biscuit real quick. It does rain in Saudi as well. When it rains, it pours. God damn. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a rainbow right there. But in Saudi, at the end of the rainbow, it's not a pot of gold. It's a barrel of oil, fam. Rolling up on a checkpoint. You know, every time I roll through a checkpoint or through an airport, security or anything, and I get through with no problems, no searches, nothing, I always think to myself, damn, I wish I had like 50 boxes in the back. 50 boxes a yay, fam. But then when I get pulled over, and search, I always feel so good that I ain't have nothing on me. Yes, when I do get through with no searches, I wish I had like 700 boxes. Look at this guy searching. What? He looks like a clown. How can you take him seriously? I wouldn't have stopped if I was driving. I would know what to do. My nigga. Going downhill, fam.
Oh no.
Damn. You guys might be expecting all my vlogs to be about like mad racing and drifting and stunts and blah blah every day. It's not every day mad car racing and stuff, you know. No, that's a lie. It is. It's all about cars and racing. We're on the way to the rally now, like I said, in Hyle. And yeah, it's a rally, cross country, in the Hummer. And yeah, but you guys do have to go through the boring parts with us. Yeah, like I said, you guys have to come through the boring parts with us, like the road trips and stuff. It is boring. When you're in the city, it's alright, but when you get out of the city on the highways, it gets kind of boring. But yeah, you guys have to roll. I don't have anything to say. I thought I'd just come and, you know. Yo fam, what's your name?
My name, Jeff.
These are the big boy trucks. They carry tanks. That's a mini one. I don't know what that carries. I went to sleep for a bit. It was quite comfortable, to be honest. Now we're in Hale. Hale? Alright, in Arabic it's pronounced Hale. In English I don't know how you say Hale. We're in Hale, fam. Hailstones. International Rally of Hale. This is the hotel. Well, it's not a hotel, it's like a big compound thing that we rent out every year for the rally. Oh crap, they changed it. There was a cinema there. They're building something new. Just going out now with the gang to visit someone real quick. Oh, it's our neighbour. Whoever's down there. Gonna go say hi to them, I guess.
ضيع اصلا الرالي اول الحين خلاص خارج الرالي يوم كان على المخيمات والبيعات.
Changed cars now, we're rolling out. We have some guests, so we're rolling out now to do a test. Yes, doing a test for the rally car. I'll explain again how that works exactly when we get there. Okay, so we're here now in the desert. Out at the rally truck. This is the other rally truck, not the same one you saw in Kuwait. This is the Hummer. Hello. You good? That's our car right there. today is a test. Alright, for those who don't know, in a rally, you come like 2 days before the official rally starts. You test, well, the driver tests the car. They go for like a test run in the desert. They select a track, they make their own track, and then they go for a test run. And yeah, basically just to get used to the like whatever you're driving on, sand, tarmac, whatever, blah, blah, and see how it is, and then select your setup for the car, what tires you want to use, blah blah, etc. And this is the sitting area if anyone want to chill outdoors. And then the inside, let's go see what's up inside.
بعدين ينزلها.
Obviously the munchies from Subway. That's what's up.
This is my man.
Yeah.
This is my
Big homie, big homie.
big homie.
It's the big homie, Adam.
Hi there.
Run!